Hi, my name is Mariana again. You said I would get my hair straightened, but today was not the day, see? Because I didn't know what my mom wanted, but my brother wanted, but I wanted. I never saw this, but I gotta say something. My brother is asking for my iPhone, but this is really his. Mine's is never working. Mine's is never talking. Mine's is never recording. Only it can hear your voice, but not your face. So get your facts right. I will be sending this to somebody. And if you don't send this to somebody, then this will never record ever again. So if you get your facts right and you get them straight, you will get and think somewhere. But if today is not the day to think, then don't think at all. If y'all hear me, just please shout out to me. My name is Shamariana White. W Goddamn. My name is Shamariana Renee White. Everybody say my name. Why? I don't like it. That's why I'm changing my name into. I don't know yet. So, see, I'm scratching my hair because I'm getting a wash. It's going to be straightened. I'm going to be back in this phone. Hi. There go my brother. He's crazy. Yeah, I'm going to be back in his phone with my hair straightened. And I promise. So, if you don't promise, then I won't promise. Okay? So, pinky promise. Pinky promise. See my pinky? I pinky promise. Okay, I pinky promise. Look at it. My teeth is so pretty, and yours is not. See?
No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Tom said go to video. I'm baking. I want to go to my.
Yeah, my mouth is hard in the bag. You already know what that is. Yeah, I'm looking straight at you, but it's a mirror right here. You see that? It's a mirror. You see me? Yeah, it's a mirror. You don't need to see my face, but that's a mirror. See everything you doing. I can see right here in this screen where this mirror is. If you don't know what this mirror is,
I know.
then don't say that though. This is my last video because my brother won his phone, so it doesn't matter. So they will be paying. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta use the restroom. Okay, what's the matter about that? Yeah, you still see the mirror. You see me on the toilet, like always.